but it's very good when you want to try to lose weight. It's so good, you know. When you drink it, you don't need any sugar in there, you don't need something sweet in there. You just warm up your water and then you just put warm water in the tea and drink it like that, guys. So
I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming, it's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day, yeah. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say good.
I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming, it's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day, yeah. You'll realize.
coucou, salut les amis, j'espère que tout le monde va bien. Ben là, maintenant on a fini de faire notre exercice. Donc là, je vais vous montrer qu'est-ce qu'il faut manger aujourd'hui, c'est qui je vais manger aujourd'hui, tu vois. Donc on continue toujours à perdre de poids, donc soyez fortes et supportez-moi s'il vous plaît. So hello guys, how are you guys doing today? I hope everybody's fine. I just finished some, you know, workout épais, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'll be eating today. Yeah guys, so first of all, what I'm gonna show you first is the tea that I'll be having today, and this tea you can get it anywhere else, so I will show it to you guys. So let me make the camera focus so you guys can see. So this one, yeah. So I got the tea from Holland Barrett. That's what they call it, Holland Barrett. I don't know if I pronounced that properly, but it's Holland Barrett. It's very good when you want to try to lose weight. It's so good, you know. When you drink it, you don't need any sugar in there, you don't need something sweet in there. You just warm up your water and then you just put warm water in the tea and drink it like that, guys. So donc les amis, ça c'est le thé que je prends. Je vais prendre des photos là pour vous, pour laisser tout, et vous allez voir. Et vous pouvez trouver ça au supermarché si vous êtes en Afrique, en Europe. Si vous êtes en Europe, vous pouvez trouver ça à Holland Barrett. Mais je vais prendre des photos et vous montrer comment ça est tout. Et c'est moins cher, guys. It's really cheap. The tea is really cheap. And by the way, I'm not promoting any product. I'm just telling you what I'm drinking as tea. So I'm not promoting, you know, the product. So just to show you what I take, guys. So today we got our cheese seed. So this cheese seed, what I do normally, I will add some inside my tea. So you need to add some in your tea. And then this tablet as well is from Holland Barrett. So guys, don't worry, I will take the picture and show you that, so you guys will see it. I'm not promoting also the tablet, but it's very good, it's cheap, you know. It helps you out, cutting down eating too much, you know. Eating too much, a lot of food. It helps you to, you know, burn down the fat in your body, and also it really helps you as well to help you to not eat too much, you know, you get full up quickly as well. Donc les amis, ça c'est un autre encore produit, ça ce sont les tablettes, les capsules pour perdre de poids. Mais ça, les tablettes et les capsules, je ne prends pas ça parce que je vais seulement juste vous montrer ce que je prends pour perdre du poids. Donc cette tablette c'est très super. Vous pouvez avoir ça dans les, peut-être dans les supermarkets comme on dit. Je sais pas si c'est comme ça on dit en français. Donc là c'est très bon, ça te fait perdre de poids et ça te coupe un peu l'appétit, ça te fait pas trop manger, ça fait que tu oublies un peu la nourriture, tu vas beaucoup boire de l'eau, ça te fait beaucoup boire de l'eau, beaucoup pisser toutes les graisses dans le corps. So guys, it's very good. It also helps you to drink more water. So let's go. Let me show you guys. So this is the tea now, and this is my GC. Yeah. So I'm gonna bring the camera closer so you guys will see what I'm doing. Donc les amis, je vais approcher la caméra, vous allez voir ce que je vais faire. Donc tout de suite. So guys, how you guys doing anyway? I hope you guys are okay. By the way, I miss you guys. And stay strong and be healthy. Take care. See you guys soon. So guys, now I got my water ready now. The kettle is warm, so you can see I got my cup here. I already, by the way guys, I already put my tea in because this time is going so fast, so I don't have much time. Donc les amis, vous voyez, j'ai mon verre ici pour monter. Donc j'ai déjà mis le thé dedans. So now what you need to do now, you need to take your kettle. Your water is ready warm. You add it in your, cup, your tea cup. So what you do, you now use, some, add some in there. Yeah, that's it. Donc maintenant vous avez vu ce que j'ai fait les amis. J'ai pris un peu des ingrédients, des choses pour perdre de poids. J'ai mis un peu dans mon verre où il y a le thé et l'eau chaude. So now what you have to do, you need to leave the tea now. You need to leave the tea to really soak into the water before you drink it and a little bit warm. Donc vous allez laisser un peu le thé pour rendre un peu le thé bien noir avant que vous buvez votre thé et laisser ça un peu froid. So now we got the tea there. I will take a picture of it. So now this is my pasta, guys. So this is my pasta. So you can see the pasta. So that's it. So what I'll be doing today, I'm so sorry the way I'm standing today. Don't mind all this, I'm trying to show you everything properly. So I got my pasta today. I got veg in my pasta, all kind of vegetables, broccolis, everything is very good. So I will show you guys later. See you guys soon. So guys, now that I got my pasta, I'll show you guys the pasta. So now what you have to do now to add some inside the pasta. So what you do, you will use some and put it inside your pasta. Donc ce que vous faites les amis, vous allez mettre ici les ingrédients que je vous ai montrés pour perdre de poids un peu dans vos pasta. So what it does, it really helps you. Let me get closer so you can see. So what it does, this will really help you as well. It helps burning the fat as well. It helps you as well to get full as well. So normally when you eat, you need to use this kind of plate to eat now. This little plate, yeah guys. Donc maintenant si vous voulez manger mes amis, vous pouvez manger tout ce que vous voulez, mais prenez un petit assiette comme ça et vous allez manger. Yeah, ça bon, ça suffit. So, ça vous aide aussi plus pour perdre plus de poids et ça vous aide pour ne pas trop manger et ne pas trop aussi avoir l'appétit. So guys, today video, this is it. I'm done. So thank you guys so much to always subscribe to my channel, like and comment, share please guys. N'oubliez pas de vous abonner sur ma chaîne, likez, commentez et partagez s'il vous plaît. Guys, love you guys so much. Take care, look after yourself. Please hit the notification bell. Like, please, a lot of like, a lot of subscribers, and a lot of comment and share, please. I love you guys. Let me enjoy this meal for you guys. Let me, yeah. Je vous adore. Je vais manger un peu pour vous, mes amis. This pasta is so good. Ok. Voilà. Je vous adore tous. I love you all. Remain blessed. Remain blessed. Remain blessed.
You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.